So guys, today we have a remote control car. But look at this. Look at this. It drifts on the floor. Okay. I got it. Look how fast it goes! It goes insanely fast! Okay, let me try it again. Alright, I prepared it and... This car goes insanely fast. So I got some cool stuff to do about it. If you're crazy with this remote control car. Since this car goes insanely fast, it can go faster than the other remote control cars I have. So everyone, this car is insanely fast. You can't even control it. But here's a problem with this car. Okay, so here's the problem. When you press this turn thing, the car doesn't even turn. For some stupid reason. I know. So